Alright, what is up, YouTube? I'm doing another Ibotoolbox advertising joint. You know what I'm saying? I just converted 500 credits to impressions. I'm about to use these impressions to get these ads rolling up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna my advertising. Already made an ad. I'm gonna just preview it, make sure everything's up and running. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. I apologize, something occurred in the application that caused an error. Click here. Okay. Alright. Well, let's get back to my advertising then. I don't know what Ibotoolbox got going on. Yeah, I posted before this video started. Okay, let me preview this bad boy. Why isn't it loading? Alright, so I'm gonna do upload picture. This is taking longer than expected. Anyway, get this link. Alright, paste that up in there and call this Free Lead System 2.0 because I'm not quite. Oh, it has to be it's a JPEG. Okay, I'm gonna display it on everything because if somebody goes to my profile, it means they want more information about me. So that'll be a good time to have my ad. Okay, 2.0. I'm gonna turn that on. Running. Let's preview. Yes. Yes. Alright, finally. I don't know what happened with the first one, but 2.0 is good to go. And should I post 2 ads? Because I don't even think, because the sizes are different. I'll be alright. But yeah, I did get my first sale of the new year. My first sale of the new year. My 4th sale of the. As you can see, you just earned a $6 commission from Lead Lightning. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you so much. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I love making money online. It's something that I want to take. I'm definitely going to take it more serious. Most definitely. I'm going to start taking it more serious. I got to start pumping. I got to get more leads. I need more. I need more. I need more. See you in the next video.